Hello and welcome to Classwork 10. I just wanted to go over problems 3 and 4 again, just to make sure you're ready for the quiz. Okay, a family restaurant chain wants to test the market for a new menu item, a grilled chicken sandwich with chipotle salsa. They are interested in both how to market the item and the right price to charge for it. They decide to offer the sandwich at 60 different restaurants in the chain using 2 different descriptions on the menu. Half the restaurants' menus will emphasize healthy eating, and half will emphasize value. These 2 groups of restaurants will be further divided into 3 groups, and each charging a high, medium, or low price for the sandwich. After a month, they will measure what proportion of customers order the new sandwich. Okay, suppose the company plans to conduct a completely randomized design. List the experimental units, the factors, and the treatments in this experimental design. So your experimental units, we're going to experiment on the restaurants. The factors are the descriptions on the menu and the price. So, description of menu and the price. And the treatments are, okay, we will first, we're going to cut them in half first with healthy eating and the value, and then these 2 groups will be further divided into 3 groups, each charging a high, medium, and low cost. So what we have is technically 6 treatments. Healthy high cost, healthy medium, healthy low, and then we have a value high, value medium, value low. Okay, suppose that the 30 restaurants in this study are freestanding buildings and the other 30 are located inside malls. The company suspects that the different building types may have impact on how people respond to advertising campaign and the price. How might they alter the design of this experiment to take this into account? Okay, one student had a brilliant idea. Doing a little diagram. We've got our 60 experimental units, our restaurant. We're breaking it into 2 distinct types of locations, one mall and one freestanding. Now what happens when you have experimental units that have different environments? We can do what's called block sampling or blocking. And this is a case of that. So, okay, we've got the 30 that are in the mall and the 30 freestanding. Okay, we're then going to break them down into healthy and value, and then those 3 get broken down into high, medium, and low, high, medium, and low. Same with our freestanding. All right, and then within each block, we will run our survey. Now, if you notice, we've got 30 restaurants and 6 treatments. So it would make sense that 5 restaurants would do 1 treatment, like healthy, high, and 5 restaurants would do healthy, medium, and 5 restaurants would do healthy, low, and so on. So for a grand total of 30 restaurant malls having each one of the treatments, 5 restaurants will have each one of those treatments, and as well as the freestanding. A college fitness center offers an exercise program for staff members who choose to participate. The program assesses each participant's fitness using a treadmill test and also administers a personality questionnaire. There is a moderately strong positive correlation between fitness score and score for self-confidence. Explain why it would not be possible to conclude from this study that exercise program increases one's self-confidence. First of all, this is an observational study, which means that you cannot have a cause and effect relationship. That would be an experiment. So no cause and effect. And also, they choose. That's a key right here. They're choosing to participate. And if you choose to participate, those are probably already fit, and fit people would have, in general, probably a higher confidence level or higher self-confidence. And also, we got two variables here. We've got self-confidence and exercise, and personality type is probably a confounding variable. Thank you for reviewing those two problems, and good luck on the quiz.